everyone. Today I want to share my experience with you regarding what I am doing as a mechanic. So regarding this vehicle, as you see like this, I changed clutch and later on the gears were not shifting. Then after I used the dynoser indicated in quote 8185. So the 8185 showing the possibility of my faulty clutch booster. So I have to remove this clutch booster, try to say this, just do a lubrication, and I use the cleaning chemical to clean the valves inside, the electrical valves inside, but I did not get any result. So I just want to share with you a little tip on what you can do to discover that this valve, this booster is possibly damaged. Like for instance, this is the new one, so I will try to push it. You see this one is going very slowly. They are returning. It is having a lot of compression. You see the way it's coming out. As compared to the bad one, this is the bad one. So you see, I'm not going to use any energy. It is not even pushing out faster. So you see the way it's coming out. This is just to tell you that this valve is already dead. The pressure is no longer there to resist the gear shifting for this Actros gearbox. So this is just the little experience I want to share with you on the code 8185. Don't forget, if you just type on Google 8185, then you get the result about this valve. So thank you. This is where I will just put an end. Let me do it one more time again so that you see for yourself. Here I'm compressing. See the way it's releasing. And this one, very fast. Thank you so much for watching.